We're joined at midday by Miss Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission, and we are making double apple French toast casserole. Love French toast, but I don't know that I've heard of it as a casserole. So what do we got and how are we making it?
All right, I purchased brioche bread, and look, you can see how yellow that is.
Yes.
It's a rich bread that has egg in it,
is.
and that's our basis here.
Okay.
Take 8 slices and make it into cubes, little
Okay.
half-inch cubes. Put half of it in your greased 8-inch casserole.
Okay.
And then you are going to put the apples. This is one apple that
Okay.
I chopped.
What kind of apple? Does it matter?
And you could use any apple that you want.
Okay.
I've got 6 eggs in here, and I'm going to add a half a cup of maple syrup. That's
Okay.
going to give that a lot of wonderful flavor.
Yeah.
And a cup of vanilla soy milk.
Okay.
I'll mix that with a little bit of apple pie spice. That's going
that's
to give it
fun.
a little extra.
Oh, I can smell it, yeah.
Yeah. Now you're going to
yes.
take, I have 4 ounces of soy cream cheese
Okay.
that I mixed with 2 tablespoons of melted butter.
Okay.
And you're going to dollop that because that's just going to add some extra richness to our casserole there. Hey, you're doing a great job.
Thanks. I always feel like a 5-star chef whenever I work with Charlene. She's so encouraging. She's like, "Good job, Jared." Then Raina comes in and Raina's like, does it on her own. I don't know. I just need a little encouragement, I guess.
Well, you're doing great. And
Good.
a tip would be to have that soy cream cheese at room temperature.
Okay.
Because then it would
I was
be
gonna do this.
easier. Yep,
There we
that'll
go.
be great. You did good.
Sure, everybody really appreciates. You wash your hands before and we're good.
That's right.
So.
And what I'm going to do, you could leave it just like that if you wanted to.
Okay.
But I'm just going to kind of spread it
Yeah,
out a little
that's
bit
what I would
so
do,
it's
too.
in all the bites.
Okay.
And then you're going to take the bread
Yes.
and put it over the top there
Oh,
again.
okay.
Yeah. And that'll cover that layer. So now we have several layers going here that when it bakes, it's all going to bake together.
I don't know
and be
why.
great.
I really want angel food cake instead of brioche bread. I'm sure this is great too. I don't know. You know, I always like to try my own thing
And
add it in and change it up.
And I encourage that because when you're making it yourself, you
Yes.
can make adjustments. That's
You
the
can.
beauty of cooking.
Well, and actually for one of our morning recipes, you did alter it just a little bit.
Yes, that's right.
To make it what you felt like it should be and how it should be. So you can change it up just a little.
Now, that is the egg mixture that
Yes.
I poured on there. And then what I'm going to do is just push it down a
So
little
it will
bit so that all of
squish out
it.
in two?
Now, you could bake it right now at 350 for about 45 minutes
Okay.
until it's set in the center.
Yes.
You could cover this and put it in the refrigerator
Okay.
and bake it the next day.
morning,
And
okay.
you'd have it. And you know,
That's
with
good.
this particular recipe, it could be for breakfast, it could be for dinner too.
It can.
So it's just a special double apple French toast casserole.
Now, where do we get it?
It is on our website at kansassoybeans.org.
Yep.
And you can call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN. And we have a special recipe for
at
an
this.
apple topping that can go with it.
That's perfect.
Or you can use maple syrup and put on it, however you want to.
I do love that. All right, Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission. Always a pleasure, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, right now let's head over and take a final look at the forecast.